welcome back to my channel, and shock horror, I'm uploading another video into a schedule as well. I'm gonna look to upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so roundabout they'll be uploaded about 6 o'clock. So I've got one coming on, by the time this has come up, there'll be two previous. So I've got the graphic novel one and the Deadpool and Beetlejuice Loungefly bag. So yeah, so let's get cracking. This video is going to be the pops I have collected and accumulated since my last video. So it's been my birthday, I got a few for my birthday, so yes, let's get started. So first of all, this was an early Christmas present from my auntie, which is just stupid because she shouldn't have given it this early, but this is the Christmas DC collection, and this is Harley Quinn with a hyena, which is dressed up as a reindeer. Couldn't get words out there, but she looks amazing. I know some people don't like this, but I'm going to take it out the box just in case people want to have a proper look. So sorry, this might take a little while and it'll be some noise, but yes, this is what I'm not going to take her out of this plastic bit, but I'll take her out of the thingy. But she's just amazing. I love the holly in her hair and her little cute outfit, and the mallet doing Christmas with a candy cane stick, so I thought that was really cute. And I love the fact that they swapped out the blue and the pink for green and red to be a bit more festive. But obviously in the original Harley Quinn, it's not original, but the Harley Quinn is black and red, so they've sort of switched out the green. So that was my first one. And also on the back there's a few more that you can get. You get Joker, Batman, Wonder Woman, Superman, and Flash. The Flash is so cute. I know that for Christmas my auntie's got my boyfriend the Batman one, which is quite cute. She was originally going to give him this, but I kind of went, I want that one so much, so she kind of gave it to me. But I really want the Flash and the Wonder Woman. The Wonder Woman one's amazing because I like a lasso, like, what do you call it? Truth rope. It's a truth rope because once she ties it around people, it's truth. People, DC fans are going to come for us now, but it's got loads of lights around it and it's so cool. So that's the first one. I'll keep on the DC theme because why not? So the next one I got is another Christmas themed Harley Quinn. This is his EMP pre-release exclusive special edition. I got this off one of my brothers for my birthday, and I just thought it was really cool because it's the black and red Harley Quinn, and yeah. So this is Ash's. She is so cool. I just think she is amazing. She's got a mallet, obviously iconic, and she's got a Christmas bomb, which is just Harley Quinn. So yeah, that I just think that is a very nice pop to have, and I'm so glad to have that as part of my collection. The side's a bit dented in, so if you are one of these people that are conscious about box damage, then be careful when you order online, because that's the only thing, when you order online you get dodgy boxes, so you've just got to keep your fingers crossed that you don't get a dodgy box. And I've already shown this one, haven't I? Yeah, showed that one in another video, but that's all me Harleys. And then my boyfriend for my birthday got me the Batman Who Laughs. If you've read the comics, then you know he is pretty cool, and I love the Batman Who Laughs. I just think he's very, what you might call it, sinister, and he's just a really good character, and that is him. And I just think he's so cool. Like all the, like, especially the Martina variants of the Batman Who Laughs comics are just insane. So if you're looking for a new comic series to read, I would highly recommend Batman Who Laughs. And for Christmas last year, my boyfriend got us the Batman Who Laughs trade paperback. I've got all the comics, but I got us a trade paperback, but the graphics on the back is cool. So yeah, that is the Batman Who Laughs. And I've got one more DC one round down here, and this is Catwoman. I really want the Wonder Woman and Aquaman ones of these because it is so cool. But this is the Catwoman, the DC Super Villains DC Collection by Jim Lee. He's done a couple of comic covers and he's really good as well. As you can see, that's some of his artwork there. But no, I'm not going to take this out of the box because I like this one too much, and it's a special edition. So yeah, that's Catwoman. She just looks insane. Moving on to Dragon Ball Z, because I'm a Dragon Ball Z fan. Try to get your boyfriend into it, but he just won't be having it. He's not having it. He's not really an anime fan, but I am. So this is, I picked this up in Leeds, Forbidden Planet, because it was on sale, and this is the 200. This is Dragon Ball Z Piccolo, but this is the limited edition one, as he's got his eyes closed, and I just think that it's just really nice pop. So yeah, that is Piccolo. Put them back on there because that saves me a job putting them away. And then next of all, I have to pick this beauty up from Tesco for £9, and this is the Super Saiyan God Goku from Dragon Ball Super, which is just amazing. I just love, like, I've got a phone case ordered with Super Saiyan God Goku and Super Saiyan God Goku, and there's another one, but I can't remember what it's called at the top of my head. But yeah, I've got this, and I just think it was insane. I'll take this out of the box. On Pop Price Guide, I think it's a bit wrong, but it says that this is going for 133 quid, and I highly doubt that, because they were so easy, not easy, but so it was so easy for me to get a hold of. In Tesco, there's about 20 of them, and I was like, do I buy them all? But no. You can see he's got a fire detail, and it's really cool. So I'm looking to get a Dragon Ball Z loungewear bag, so when I when I move out into my own place, and I can have them on display. So the next one, these are miscellaneous, so we'll just go at random, because they're not, like, as you can see, I had DC and then I had Dragon Ball Z, but now these are not. But this is Phono from Pan's Labyrinth. If you haven't seen this film, you need to see it. It's so good. I got this for birthday of my boyfriend as well. I didn't know I was going to get this, and it was one on my list that I wanted. I also wanted the Pale Man as well, but Phono is just really cool pop, as you can see. Yeah, amazing. I love that. Put it in there. And the next one I've got is, I got this off my brother. If anyone knows me, they know I am a fan of Gremlins. Sorry, there's a bit of dust on here because we on top of my wardrobe, because I don't know where to put them. But this is Gizmo in his red car. How cute is he? He's just gorgeous. Look at him. And it's just, oh, I just love it. Like, my mom's not really into like pop, like geeky stuff and figures and stuff, but she was like, he's so cute, and I was like, I know, and I was like, I've got to have him. So I sent the link to my brother and was like, can I have this please? And then last of all, right, one thing you'll learn from watching me, I'm a butcher at the way of saying things. So like the resistance or something, like somebody in the comments can correct us on how we say that, because I'm just shit. And this is covered in dust, and I'm now covered in dust. I am a clean person, but when it's been sat on my wardrobe, and because I've got nowhere to put it, then it does gather dust. So I'm only human. But this is the child Baby Yoda pop. I got this for £30 from Tesco, and I know that people were getting them and then selling them for like 80, 90, £100, and I'm just like, really? You can go, they had stacks of them in Tesco. The only gripe with Tesco, if you're watching, I know you're not, but you need, when you display your pops, or when you are getting your pops in, make sure that they're in good condition. I had to sift through about 40 of them to find a half decent one that can have a crack in. But this one still is a bit warped down the side, and I was like gutted. But I was like, my boyfriend was a bit sick of it, but I was like standing there and I was like, nope, 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 nope to every single pop, because it just wasn't in the quality that I liked it. But hey ho, this video's gonna be up like 10 minutes, so I just want to say thank you to people who have sat through all of that and watched it. And if you want to know anything more about any of the more pops I've got, because I've got a lot more that weren't in the previous videos. Like I've got some Black Canary, and as you can see down there, I've got two Sons of Anarchy ones. They're quite not worth loads, but they're vaulted, and I don't know where the boxes are for them, which I'm really gutted about because they're two of my favourites. So I've got these two. I've got, I'm a massive Sons of Anarchy fan, so I've got Jax Teller, which is played by Charlie Hunnam, and I've got Opie Winston, and I can't remember who plays him, but he's just amazing. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you could rate, comment, subscribe, that would be fantastic. And remember, I post on Wednesdays and a Saturday. Thanks everyone, bye.